Wow, that's amazing. Girls, that's how you entertain men. Hello everyone, I'm Joe. I was wandering on Reddit and I found some memes that I hope you like. Anyway, let's get on to the video. What can you see? Live, love, laugh. It's some form of basic white girl. I am sure that belongs to Karen. So typical of her. Alright, if 2020 was a person, it will be him.
雨天的天气越来下课铃，已经约好在操场等你。夏天真的是闷的可以，带你吃吃草莓冰淇淋。如果你有一点坏心情，我为你弹上梦圆舞曲，听着这首轻松的旋律，好像吃了夹心巧克力。当我偷偷看你，当我偷偷地想着你。
That guy can't even catch a break. You know, I used to be like that some time ago. I failed a lot. But now, things are working out just fine. I don't like this virus. I wanted zombies. I agree. It would be more metal if there were zombies. But I have to admit, an invisible enemy is pretty metal itself. When your controller disconnects in the middle of a game. Imagine being in the middle of a shootout and this happens. Luckily, it hasn't happened to me, but I still suck at games, you know. Where does it hurt? Headache. Stomachache. Saying a funny joke but no one laughs. You know, I get that feeling a lot because my type of comedy is not built for everyone. I hope you like my type of comedy. Now that is a big ass tree. Damn, girl! Oh wait, that's a tree. Forget what I just said. Oh no. Oh no. Why would you do that, Karen? That's disgusting. That cat will have PTSD for the rest of its life. Just let me chill, Karen. I need a break from you. Go take a walk, will ya? Today, I will be a lazy blob. This is how I imagine myself every morning. Hi. It scared me. That slap though. I knew that was going to happen, but I didn't know when. Hey, what are you doing? Setting up my Tinder profile. Satan. Looking for a bad girl I can punish. Okay, sure, maybe. The photo is a few years old. That's how media works. Most of it is fake. You obviously show your best face in it. Ooh, snipe! I have the best aim, especially when I try to be naughty. Ancestors, I seek your wisdom in troubling times. Buying slave always cheered me up. I shouldn't be laughing at this. Burning a witch can really bring people together. That reminded me a joke my friend said. What did the cavemen used to call shooting stars? The Truman Show. I wonder if there's a Truman Show about me. Dave Show. Highlights. Dave is self-aware. Why did we even give him that DVD? Imagine that your life is a show. Is it a show you would watch? Go make it worth watching. Whenever I'm alone, I imagine myself as a show presenter. I think I might try it anytime in my life, but I would probably get stage frightened. But I will try it. Monkey sword fight. There's no way you can be cooler than this picture. Wow, that's amazing. Girls, that's how you entertain men. We are easy entertained. Yes. Monkeys fighting. Hilarious. Well, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a good old like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. That will be amazing. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.